So this is my year plan, my one-page year plan for grade 4 curriculum. Uh, the daily work that I have chosen is DEAR and morning meeting or circle time. I chose morning meeting because it allows students to collaborate and share their ideas, which helps their oral language. And I chose DEAR because I think it helps students read uninterrupted without fear, and they also have choice while they're doing DEAR, which helps them grow their fluency and comprehension. The program work that I have chosen is Writer's Workshop. I think this is a great way of working with students daily, weekly, monthly, risk-free again, with creative prompts. It also uses modeling, sharing, and independent work, which I think is great to use throughout the year for students. To have a model of how they should work independently. I also like using this program because it helps students feel confident in their writing. The first unit that I have chosen is All About Me. It is a short unit. It's more of an intro to each other and myself, and it also helps build the community in the classroom. But this unit also gives me a diagnostic of where the students may be within their writing or English language skills. Reader's Theater is the next unit I chose, which is a integrated unit with drama. This creatively allows students to write, and it helps them grow their comprehension by using different literary forms, and then stepping into characters' shoes and reading in between the lines and inferring. It also covers a lot drama outcomes within the art curriculum. And then the next unit I have is Tales of Alberta, which is another integrated unit with social, where the students have to put themselves into the shoes of the Albertan people that have lived here in the past. I chose this unit to follow Reader's Theater so that these students had skills already in place for role-playing, and then they already have that knowledge to further build on. I also saw this as a way that they can explore different text forms from the past and try mimicking the writing of past Albertans. The next unit I use is Fairy Tales. Fairy tales use a lot of literary devices, so students can investigate those. And there's a lot of different vocabulary that's used in fairy tales, so they can investigate that too. There's a lot of different text forms used, like short stories, maybe even some music, so we can talk about songs. I also chose to break this up between Christmas, just because it's a longer unit. The next unit I have is Poetry. Poetry allows students to, again, investigate literary devices and investigate different text forms. During this unit, they can experiment writing with these text forms, like haikus, and then they can also follow fairy tale ideas, because a lot of fairy tales are written in a poem format. The second last unit I have is Novel Study. I chose this as my largest because it increases the most fluency, it increases the most comprehension. It also uses model, collaborate, individual work, which I again think is so important. The students are able to examine a single text very deep instead of the random text forms that they have been able to investigate in the past. And then my last unit is Comics, which is, again, one of the shorter ones. It's the most student-led and the most hands-on and relevant to the students, so I put it at the end of the year so that they could have the most fun during June Madness instead of worrying about reading a novel. So that is my explanation of my year plan. Thank you.